Welcome back everybody, Dave here, One Mechanic. Short video, at least this part is, but I did something I probably shouldn't have, but I did it anyway. I bought another toolbox, but this toolbox is for the house. I've always wanted a classic toolbox for the house, and I just love these old toolboxes. I love how the edges are rounded on it, the tops. See, when I started in this business, this is the kind of toolbox you had, and this toolbox they thought would have brought you all the way through your career. And you put all your sockets and stuff on top and organize everything else below. I am replacing my home box with this. My dealer took this as a trade-in. The guy bought a new box, but apparently this guy has been in the industry for over 30 years, and this box was brand new. He bought it out of school because he got a discount on it, and he had it for the past 30 years. It shows some wear, nothing major though. And you'll see this after this. I'm going to do sort of a montage of different drawers and stuff like that in the box, but he used metal rails, which probably at the time that was, you know, the thing, the metal rails, but he drilled and riveted them down to the top part, which kind of looks like one of these new grid systems actually. But I wanted to cut the rivets off and I'll probably put paint around the hole so I don't rust anything. And I'm just put regular sockets up there. And there'll be an update on this box. When I get it home, I'll compare my home box and show everything in it, and then move it to this box. And I think that this box will lay out a lot better than my Frontier toolbox that I have at home. I mean, honestly, the Frontier box has been a great box. The thing I don't like about it is that it's not very deep, and the way the drawers are laid out on it are kind of weird. But like I said, I've always wanted a classic box like this, so chance came up, and they gave me a heck of a deal, offering cash for it. So I guess really it's my tax return. But I just wanted to show you what I got. All right. After this, I'll show you a little montage of stuff, and hope you like it. All right. One Mechanic out. Ciao. Here's what I was talking about. He actually drilled and riveted these down. Although honestly, it's not a bad idea. I see people have done this to wood, to a skinny piece of like Luan, and done this and bolted it down. I don't like the metal. As you guys know, I like to have the holders that show what size I'm missing or not missing. So, you know, I'll probably have something like this in here, or maybe some mechanic time savers in here or stuff like that. But all my sockets should fit up here with no problem. Where in my home box currently, they're in a couple different drawers just because of room and space. I do like these skinny drawers. They basically open, half an inch, sorry, half an inch, but they open up almost all the way. But the drawers all seem nice and smooth, so that's nice. You know, there's little marks on it. I mean, it's been a good used box. See some marks down there, but everything opens and closes very nicely. I kind of wish the bottom one had some longer drawers in it, but like I said, I think that this will be very nice. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe. Take care. Peace out. Ciao.